Good morning, everyone. My name is Joelle, and this is your beginner yoga daily routine to help you feel your absolute best in just 5 minutes. So let's get started right away on our backs. Planting the soles of both feet, letting the spine lower all the way down. And then once you've arrived, let's squeeze the glutes and lift your hips up into a bridge pose. So lifting as high as we possibly can, squeezing as hard as we possibly can. We don't have a lot of time today, so we're making the most of things. Squeeze and lift for one more inhale. And then slowly lower yourself down. And as soon as you touch down, lift your right foot up towards the sky. Now the leg can be bent or straight, doesn't really matter, as we take an ankle circle twice in each direction. And then lower that foot down, simply switching sides. Left ankle traces 2 circles one way, and then goes back the other way. And then catch hold behind your thighs. And a few times let's rock ourselves forwards and back, or you can also just roll to one side and we'll all meet in an all fours position. So coming towards hands and knees with your hips over your knees and your shoulders over your wrists. And we'll take just one cat-cow here. So as you inhale, dip the stomach down, lift the tailbone, lift your gaze. And on the exhale, take your spine back the other way as you round, tucking the chin in towards the chest and tucking the tailbone. And then bring your spine back to neutral, and we'll take some circles this time with the rib cage. So imagining that cat-cow turns into a bigger movement as we add movements towards the side. Tracing 2 circles one way, and then 2 circles back in the other direction. Warming up through the entire spine. And once you've finished those, step your hands just a little bit further forward, spread your fingertips wide, press into those fingertips. As we tuck the toes, lift the knees, and bring your hips up and back towards downward facing dog. Now we're not here for long, so let's keep pressing the hands, let's keep sinking the chest in the direction of your legs as you pedal out through the feet, bringing one heel closer to the mat and then the other. Doesn't matter if they actually touch. And then start to walk your hands back towards your feet so that we end up in a ragdoll forward fold towards the back of your mat. The knees can be generously bent here, or you could start to straighten them to get into the hamstrings. And here it might feel nice to sway side to side, so you could hold opposite elbows or just let your arms dangle. Take a deep breath in and sigh it out. And let's sway ourselves back to center, rebend the knees so that we can replant the hands, lowering one knee at a time onto the mat and coming to take a comfortable seat. Finding a nice tall spine, let's roll the shoulders back here and we'll trace a big neck circle, bringing the chin towards the chest, taking things in one direction. And we'll take 2 circles once again each way. So take your time. And reversing the direction once you feel ready. Noticing if one direction might be a little bit different. Are there any areas that you can smooth out on your second circle? And then straightening yourself up once more. Let's take a gentle twist towards the right with the left hand holding the right knee, looking over your back shoulder. And once you're in the twist, Consciously deepen the twist. Notice if you can creep those right fingertips a little bit further back. Can you turn that right shoulder a little bit further back? Can you bring your gaze a little bit further back? And on your next exhale, releasing the twist to come back towards center, switching sides. Right hand finds the left knee as we twist left, finding that twist to start out, and then consciously deepening it, making more space in the body. And let's release, bringing ourselves back to center once more with a soft smile, perhaps coming to your lips as we sweep the arms up overhead. Allow the palms to touch, and then exhale, bring them down to the front of your heart. Beautifully done. I hope that this was a great start to a great day for you. Well done. And of course, I invite you to subscribe to my channel so that we can practice together again very soon, whether it's morning or a different time of day. See you soon.